हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं गोभी मंचूरिया और इसकी रेसिपी बहुत ही सिंपल है एंड गोभी इज अवेलेबल इन अबंडेंस इन द मार्केट नाउ एज इट्स विंटर सीजन। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द किचन। ऑलराइट, सो गोभी मंचूरिया के लिए सबसे पहले मैंने पानी बॉईल करने के लिए रखा है। पानी गर्म हो रहा है। थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही पानी लीजिए क्योंकि इसको बॉईल होना है। सो पानी मैंने रखा है, इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे नमक जब इसमें थोड़ा सा बॉईल आ जाए उसके बाद में। So now you can see that the water is almost coming to a boil. So at this point of time, I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoon of salt in this and let this come to a boil. You can see that it has started to boil, and at this point I'm going to add the gobi florets into this. Going to slow down the heat now. मैं इसमें गोभी डाल देने वाली हूँ. Be careful as gobi is in season, so let's make all kind of varieties possible. तो ये अभी मैंने गोभी को बॉईल होने के लिए रख दिया है। इसको करीब 5 मिनट के लिए कुक कीजिए ताकि गोभी जो है अच्छी तरह से बॉईल हो जाए। इट गेट्स कुक्ड कम्प्लीटली बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू फ्राई इट, बट इतना भी ज़्यादा उसको नहीं होना चाहिए कि उसको मैश हो जाए। सो इट विल टेक अबाउट 5 मिनट्स ऑफ टाइम टू बॉईल टू द लेवल दैट वी नीड। सो लेट इट बॉईल एंड देन आई विल शो यू आफ्टर दैट। गोभी को बॉईल होते हुए करीब 5 मिनट हो चुके हैं एंड इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डन। सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्विच ऑफ द गैस नाउ एंड let this cool down and take them out and strain the water out. ओके, तो हमने ये ठंडा हो चुके हैं, गोभी पूरे स्ट्रेन करके रख लिए हैं। अब मैं इसमें, क्योंकि हमने इसमें सॉल्ट ऑलरेडी पहले बॉईल करते वक्त में डाल करके रखा था, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड सॉल्ट एनी मोर टू दिस। आई एम एडिंग अबाउट 1 टीस्पून ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर इन दिस। ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर डालने के बाद में इसमें मैं डाल रही हूँ अबाउट 1.5 टेबल स्पून ऑफ मैदा विच इज़ द प्लेन फ्लावर, एंड देन आफ्टर दिस आई एम एडिंग कॉर्न फ्लावर टू दिस. So this is the corn flour that I am using. I am adding about मैदा मैंने करीब 1.5 स्पून यूज़ किया था, दैट इज़ 1.5 टेबल स्पून, और मैं कॉर्नफ्लावर इसमें यूज़ कर रही हूँ करीब 2 टेबल स्पून ऑफ कॉर्नफ्लावर. सो हियर वी गो. So I have added corn flour, maida and pepper powder. That is all that will go into this manchuria. So I'm just going to mix it all together. I'm going to use a little bit of water to mix this or make it like a paste. So this is how it looks like. I have used little bit of water to make it like a paste and this is all combined. इसको पूरी तरह से कोट नहीं किया मैंने. You can see that it is little bit coated, not that completely dipped like pakoras into the batter. So this is done and I have got oil heating up here. It's almost hot, very hot. So I have lowered it to the least temperature and I'm now going to fry these gobis into the oil. So here we go. एक और चीज़ जो याद रखने की है जब आप मंचूरिया बना रहे हो, तो जब आप ये फ्राई कर रहे हो उस समय इसको 2 बार फ्राई करें. मतलब एक बार पहली बार फ्राई करें टिल सम टाइम एंड आफ्टर दैट टेक देम आउट एंड देन उसके बाद में थोड़ी 5 मिनट के बाद में दोबारा से उसको डाल करके फ्राई करें. So this is the second batch frying. I'm just waiting for this to get done and then we can get on to the next process. So now all the gobi manchuria has been fried up nicely and now next get into the next step of it. So I have kept a pan on heat and I have put little bit of oil, that's about 1 tablespoon of oil, not even 1 tablespoon, it's hardly 1.5 teaspoon of oil in this, and now it is nicely hot. You can see the vapors also coming on top of it. So now at this stage I am adding some ginger to this, which is about 1.5 inches of ginger, and now loads of garlic because it is manchuria, so garlic has to go. So I have taken about 7 to 8 garlic pieces and I have chopped them nicely. So here it goes. I'm going to stir fry this a little bit so that it gets cooked. So the garlic and ginger is getting fried and meanwhile I'm also adding green chilies. Green chilies आप अपनी मर्जी से डाल सकते हैं. आपको ज़्यादा तीखा चाहिए तो आप ज़्यादा डाल सकते हैं, कम चाहिए तो कम डाल सकते हैं. Also I'm adding some spring onion whites to it and let me just toss all this. While all this is cooking, I'm also going to add some capsicum chopped. Manchuria है, Chinese है, तो capsicum तो जाएगा ही जाएगा. So here it goes. If you have some colorful capsicums, you can use that also. I'm using the green ones because that is what is available at home as of now. So let this cook little bit. Let it soften a little bit. We are not going to cook them completely because we need some crunch into it. So while this is getting cooked, after this is cooked, I will be adding some sauces into it and this will be done. Now you can see that this is cooked a bit. At this point, I am adding some soya sauce to it. I am adding about 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce to this. Then 1 tablespoon of ketchup, tomato sauce, and also red chili sauce. So I'm adding red chili sauce into this. This is about 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And now I'm going to mix them all together. I am also adding about 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is completely optional. I've added 1 teaspoon of vinegar and now I am adding the slurry. Slurry is the corn flour. I have taken about 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mixed that with about 1 tablespoon of water and made a nice paste out of it. So here it goes. This is going to give little thickness and shine also to the manchuria, which you see usually in the restaurants. So I'm just going to cook this nicely. Let it cook down and it will thicken a bit. Okay, so now this is done and you can see that it has become nice thick. I can show you a little closer and it has got a little shine also. So I'm going to shut down the flame. Now you need to check one thing that यहाँ पे because हमने soya sauce डाला है, soya sauce में salt already होता है. So you need to check if there is some salt required. You can add some salt at this point of time. I'm not adding any salt at this point of time because soya sauce में ही काफ़ी है, tomato sauce में भी there is enough of salt. So this is done and now I'm going to add the gobi manchuria into this. One thing that you need to remember when you are making gobi manchuria, because all of us like crispy manchuria, we do not like soggy manchuria. So in that case there is a tip here. आपने जब ये स्टेज पे बना लिया है, let this cool down for at least about 3 to 4 minutes. So जब ये 3 to 4 minutes के लिए cool हो जाएगा तो इसकी जो जब आप इसमें मंचूरिया मिक्स करेंगे then it will still remain crispy. It will not become soggy completely. So अभी मैं इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए रेस्ट करने वाली हूँ. Once it is done, I will mix the gobi manchuria into this and show it to you. So this is done. You can see that how nice and crispy the manchuria has turned out. I have mixed it as मैंने जैसे आपको टिप दिया था. एक 4-5 मिनट में ठंडा होने के बाद में ग्रेवी को, उसके बाद में आप इसको मिक्स करें. So you can see how nice and crisp it has turned out. Let me serve it and show it to you. ओके, सो मंचूरिया बनके तैयार हो चुका है. आप देख सकते हो कि ये कितना अच्छा बना है. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि ये कितना क्रिस्पी है. कैन यू हियर द साउंड? It has come up really nice and crispy, and when I'm eating it I can hear the crunch inside my mouth also. So I'll just show you once again in case you can see it's quite crispy. I hope you are able to hear the sound when I'm trying to. Yeah, So this is how the Manchuria has turned out. This is gobi Manchuria. Season में गोभी बहुत है. You can try making the gobi Manchuria at your home. Let me know how this recipe turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please do like the recipe and also hit the share and subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried it and how it has turned out for you. Thank you for watching.